This is Mirna with Knitting with Mirna, and today's knitting lesson is how to do a long tail cast on. For this I'm using the Bernat Softy Chunky yarn in a super bulky weight, number 11, straight needles by Knit Pick. Let's begin. First you're going to pull about 10 or 12 inches of tail from your working yarn. You're going to make a slip knot. I have a tutorial on a slip knot, so I'm just going to go through and just make it, and then if you need to review a slip knot you can look at a video that I've posted earlier. With your right hand you're going to insert the needle through the loop, pull both strands just to make the knot a little snug onto the needle but not too tight. With your left hand you're going to make a pinching position by putting your thumb and your index together. You're going to go through both strands, and with these other three fingers you're going to hold both strands of yarn. Bring the needle down to the palm of your hands like this, so your hand is gonna look like a sling, like a slingshot. So you're gonna move your right needle over to your thumb, go under the yarn, go to your index, go bring your needle under the yarn, pull through that circle or that loop, release your thumb and pull. Again, bring your needle over to your thumb, go under the yarn, go to your thumb, to your index, bring the needle under the yarn through the loop, release, and we'll do it again. Bring the stitches a little bit back. Here we go, so they won't slip off. Bring your needle over to your thumb, go under, bring the needle over to your index, go under the yarn, pulling it through the loop, release your thumb, pull the yarn. So go over to your thumb, go under, go to your index finger, go under the yarn, pull it through the loop, release your thumb, pull the yarn through. I'm going to go back again, go to your thumb, under, go to your index finger, go under the yarn, pulling it through that loop, through the circle, release your thumb and pull. This is how you do a long tail cast on. So you've cast on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 stitches. Not bad. This is a new channel, so please subscribe. Check out our other videos. Don't forget to click like, leave me a comment, and I hope that this tutorial was helpful. Stay tuned for other tutorials and for other projects and more tips on knitting. Thank you. See you soon.